Hey guys, it's Shannon. So a lot of you know that I love to use essential oils, but I also really love to use natural products whenever I possibly can. And I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by this company. I just honestly love it, and so I wanted to bring it to you guys. I also really enjoy seeing what other people like to use so I can try it out, and so I thought maybe you guys would be interested in that too. And today I'm doing a Thrive Market haul. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of this before or not. I've used it for quite some time. It's basically like a Costco for natural products like cleaning supplies, beauty supplies, kids, babies, they even have food, and basically you pay for a year membership to get access to wholesale prices. So what I am going to do is I will have a referral link down in the description box below, so if you like any of these products or you want to test it out, you will get a free month's membership to try it out, and you will also get 25% off your first order. So I absolutely love that because you're already getting wholesale prices on a lot of these items, and then you're gonna get an additional 25% off as well, and then you also get free shipping if you spend a certain dollar amount or more, and then you also get a free item if you spend $29 or more. So there are so many great things about this company. I really can't say enough. But not only that, but I love the products that they carry. So that's a lot of what I actually use. So I want to show you today what I hauled in a big, because I just recently did a big shopping spree on Thrive because we were out of a lot of things, me in particular, and so I just went ahead and stocked up. So I'm going to share that with you today. Alright, so the first few things I want to show you are from my face care routine. I use rose water for every single time I get out of the shower or every time I wash my face. So when my face is clean, I spritz on some rose water, and it's just great for your skin. And I also really like to do this in the mornings. It kind of wakes you up. So this is a great little atomizer, just sprays on. Also, facial cleaner. I use this Earth Science. It's an AD&E creamy fruit oil cleanser with apricot and avocado, and it's creamy, and I really like it. It takes your makeup off really well, and it also smells really, really good. And then from the same brand, the Earth Science brand, I use this fragrance-free almond aloe moisturizer for my face. So again, every time I wash my face, I put moisturizer on, or in the mornings as well before I put my makeup on. And my skin sort of leans more towards the normal sensitive side, so I really have to watch what I put on my face sometimes because it'll make it red and sort of have a reaction. So I really like this because it doesn't react with my skin. Next is body wash. This Thrive actually has their own line of products, so this was a really inexpensive natural body wash. It is coconut vanilla, and it's for soft and clean skin. Again, this stuff smells really, really good. I love the smell of coconut, and especially towards the summertime, you know, almost like that sunscreen smell. I love the coconut smell, so I grabbed the coconut vanilla for the upcoming warmer weather. And next for my hair, I love using natural shampoos and conditioners. I have a lot of thick hair, so I absolutely have to use conditioner. And this is the Acure Lemongrass and Argan clarifying set. So I like this because it sort of like strips all the extra. I do use some dry shampoo from time to time, and so I really like that this like gets all that buildup and gunk out of your hair. You will find with natural shampoos, it's not gonna lather like regular shampoo does, but that doesn't mean it's not cleaning. So I really like this stuff though. It's great on my hair. Another thing I use on my hair every single time I go to blow dry it or straighten it is this Desert Essence. It is a coconut hair defrizzer and heat protector, and this stuff, I love it. It's almost like a perfume. It smells very, very much like coconut. So if you're not into like really heavy scented things, this may not be for you, but I absolutely love it. It makes my hair smell so good, and I love that it's natural and it's protecting my hair. Now, I'm sort of on the fence about natural deodorants. I used several different kinds over the years, and I have used this Crystal brand before, but not on this in the roller kind. This is a roll-on deodorant, so I'm excited to see if this works or not. I'm outside a lot, I build a lot, you know, exercising. If you're prone to Perspiration, you know, I do a lot of times, especially during the summertime, I go back to regular deodorants because it seems to work better, and I'm not gonna lie, better than like a natural deodorant. But you know, if you're gonna be inside or low-key, use natural deodorants, much better for you. It doesn't have all those chemicals. So I did go ahead and grab this Crystal brand. It says it's 24 hours in a lavender and white tea scent, and it's paraben free, and there's no aluminum in it or all of that gross bad stuff. So I'm excited to see how good or bad this works. Another thing I am religious about is putting lotion on everywhere after I get out of the shower. I make sure I'm really good and hydrated, and this is the brand that I like to use a lot. It's really inexpensive and you get a lot, so it lasts a long time. This is the Everyone brand lotion, and it's made with plant extracts and pure essential oils, and it says you can even use it on your face. I don't use it on my face. I showed you the other one that I do earlier, but I definitely use this all over every single time I get out of the shower. We also use natural toothpaste and natural mouthwash. This is the Hello brand. You can actually find these in department stores too. You don't have to order this. But it is fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. And then this is the Spry Oral Rinse and Cool Mint. And like I said, I like to use essential oils and create my own recipes with them. And so a lot of the recipes call for witch hazel. This is a wonderful astringent. You can use it for toner. You can use it for so many different things, especially in recipes with essential oils. So I grabbed the unscented Thayer's brand witch hazel. Now for cleaning products, everybody loves the Mrs. Meyer's brand. So this is the multi-surface everyday cleaner. It is the lemon verbena scent, and just a spray bottle. So they do carry the Mrs. Meyer brand if you are sort of religious to that brand. I also have the same scent in the dish soap. If you are into natural products, you know all about Dr. Bronner's. This is a natural pure Castile soap. This is in the peppermint scent, which is what Brian uses for everything, for his beard, for body wash, for face wash. And you can also use this to create your own soaps and cleaners. So I love this stuff, and we always keep this on hand. And like I said, you also get a free item if you spend, I believe it's $29 or more, and you get to choose. There's all kinds of different items you can choose. You just add it to your cart and it's completely free. And I chose the Flackers organic flaxseed crackers in rosemary. We really like rosemary, so I wanted to try this. This is also non-GMO and organic, so I can't wait to try these. So like I said, I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Thrive Market. I honestly, genuinely love the company and what it stands for and what it provides. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys to check out and maybe see some of the products that I use, because I know I get questions about that sometimes, especially with my hair. And so I will link down in the description box below my referral code, which will get you 1 month free trial, as well as 25% off your first purchase. If you guys use natural products and you'd like to recommend anything for me, leave those down in the comments below. I'd like to check out new things. I enjoy trying new shampoos and deodorants and that kind of thing. So let me know down in the comments below what your favorite natural, whether it's cleaning supplies or beauty supplies, healthcare supplies, let me know. Also, take a second, give this video a thumbs up for me. You can also subscribe. I bring you DIY tutorials and new inspiration every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit the bell as well so you get notified when my videos go live, and I will see you all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.